In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to turn on or off blocking USB connections while your phone is locked on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This will work for the S26 Ultra, S26, and the S26 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to turn on or off having USB connections while your phone is locked on your S26 device, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for security and privacy. When you're in security and privacy, you want to scroll down and you want to look for more security settings. And then from there, what you want to do is look for block USB connections while locked. And then as you can see, to protect your data, you can prevent by turning this on or off USB devices from connecting from your phone if it's been locked for more than 1 hour. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to block or turn off blocking USB connections while locked on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks.